All right, just before Good Friday, for week 3 of April in the program, we've got this stuff, the Four Seasons. Fantastic. This is really the last chance to have a really effective granular application because the temperatures are still dropping, but of course there's still active growth. And look, luckily this week I'm getting mid-30s the whole week, so it's a little bit warmer this time of year than normal, so no problems there. So Four Seasons, it's got nitrogen and potassium that are both slow controlled release. So why it's perfect for this type of year and this type of grass and the whole situation and everything is because that nitrogen will give that initial feed, but it also give a slower feed over a number of weeks. Same with the potassium, and the potassium really helps protect the plant. This has also got iron in it, and if you know anything about iron and lawns, it gives you that darker deep green, and this is the easiest way. It's a granular application. You throw this down, you water it in to get iron into the system of your lawn and start producing that dark emerald green that we love, you know, and it works extremely well in kikuyu, buffalo and cooch like what we've got here. It's pretty simple, just get it down. If you've got any on the concrete, make sure that you blow it or sweep it off the concrete, because if that gets wet while the fertilizer's on the concrete, you could get a little bit of staining. You don't want that. The cool thing about this time of year as well is that there's still active growth. The soil temperatures are still up a little bit, but they are gradually going, and this will sit nicely in the canopy. It's got the small prills, it'll hide, and basically it won't get sucked up with the next mow, and that will continue to work really well for probably about 8 weeks thereabouts. So when you're using this stuff, you know, in the spring and the summer, yeah, you get a quicker response and you'll see the dramatic difference because there's active growth. But because of the temperatures going up, the fertilizer doesn't last as long. So this is one of the best times to apply Four Seasons fertilizer. It just will make your lawn look really good for Easter. And that's what the program's designed to do. Basically, I look at having the best lawn looking for Christmas, the New Year's holidays, Australia Day, and also the Easter break. So basically, that's how the program's sort of designed, really. So yeah, all right, let's get into it.
Certainly getting a lot of thumbs up encouragement, and you know, that's what happens when your lawn looks stunning. Just everybody really appreciates it, even the passers-by. This is a 15mm mow, nothing too aggressive, and I mow basically once or twice a week, thereabouts, as needed.
You're right. Just watch my videos with a dose of humor and then get your lawn on. Get your lawn on. Get your lawn on. Get your lawn on. Yeah.
And this is about as easy as it gets for Easter. Just throw this down and water it in for 20 minutes, no problems whatsoever. It's a great professional fertilizer. Mid-autumn application before the temperatures drop is vital for having great lawn health going into the winter season.
Then follow my tips to have a great lawn. You can do it, baby. Yeah. Get your lawn on. Get your lawn on. Get your lawn on.
So getting the app down at Four Seasons at this time of year is super beneficial for your lawn. Balanced nitrogen potassium feed there. It's going to last good 8 weeks thereabouts, and the iron in Four Seasons in a couple of days is really going to dark deepen the green colour of this lawn. I mean, it's looking pretty good already, but if your lawn's not as in good condition and you really want to pep up and some positive growth, Four Seasons is the go, and the Four Seasons is the go to get some great colour into your lawn. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that. Get your lawn on, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later.
Welcome to All Up. Get your lawn on.